I had made this table fan and now I have modified it to this one. So this is for the fan and this is for its
Direction change.
direction change. So if there are two people sitting, both can make it.
Yeah, yes.
So the motor is here. There's a motor in this.
Okay.
You can see at the back there's a motor here.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is a VO motor, geared VO motor.
Mm-hmm.
And inside this there's some wiring.
There is a wheel here, right? This is a wheel.
Oh yeah, this is a wheel
Okay. Mm-hmm.
in which I have put cardboard up, in which I have stuck cardboard at the top. There's wiring here and two switches. And that's all I've used for this. And yes, that's all.